Meaning of director.
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 Director. A director is a person who is in charge of managing, organizing, and guiding the execution of a project or production. They oversee the work of others, delegate tasks, and make key decisions to ensure that goals are achieved efficiently and effectively. In particular, a film director oversees the artistic aspects of a film's production, such as the actors' performances, visual style, and overall storytelling. Overall, a director plays a crucial role in ensuring that a project or production is successful and that its vision is realized.